Well, I'm gonna try to smoke some ribs. This Black Label Louisiana Grill. It's a pellet smoker. And I know some of you are gonna be like, Dupe, you talk so much about pellets. But see if I could change my mind. Well, I don't know if this is normal or not. Man, we got fire. It's not even at the temp yet. Got temp. We got ribs in place. Now, see what it does. We'll spend about an hour. Put this on top just to see what the difference will be. So far, it's okay. Okay, with the 2 hour mark. And gotta say, they're looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and cover them up right now with some foil paper, and then we'll go from there. Oh, ribs are done. Now let's see how they came out. Here it is. Look, smoke rings there. But it's not bad. I think I'm used to that almond wood smoke. It was a hickory, but not too bad. So overall, I think I'm more used to my almond wood and also my smoker. I control the smoke and everything that goes to it and all that great stuff. But I think if you're always wanted to smoke and you just don't know how, you're a beginner, you're starting off, I think a pellet grill is definitely a thing for you and something you might want to look into, and then maybe gradually move on over to another smoker. But other than that, I mean, can't complain. Everybody was happy with it. They said it was good, and that's what really matters. The barbecue's good.